morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How was your lecture? How was your day?
मैं गाँव में रहता हूँ। मैं रीड करूँ? My turn is not
Hi, ma'am. Today we will do the worksheet of chapter number 1. Yes. Worksheet chapter number 1.
मैम फिर जब रीडिंग करना तब मैं करूँगी।
Ma'am,
your voice is not coming, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. मैम रिकॉर्डिंग सपोर्ट में डाल दो ना।
Okay, today we will do the worksheet, okay? And after then, tomorrow we will do the worksheet of chapter number 2, and then I will show you the map activity about the continents and the 5 oceans of the world, okay? Now, everyone be ready for Gayatri Mantra, then we will start our work after Gayatri Mantra. Everyone, join your hand, beta. Join your hand. Everyone, close your eyes. Everyone, join your hand. Close your eyes. Now 1, 2, 3, and start. Om Bhuvaswaha Tasyaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devash Rub your hand. Put it in your eyes.
मैम हमको वर्कशीट में पेंसिल से लिखना है कि पेन से? हेलो, कोई से म्यूट कर।
Okay, now everyone ready for exercise? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done? Okay, beta. Now, off your video and give thought of the day. Yatri, okay, life is too short to worry about anything. You had better enjoy it because the next day promise nothing. Okay, very good. Life is too short. हमारी जो life है वो कितनी बड़ी है किसी को नहीं पता. We can say that it is too short. Okay, so don't worry about anything. किसी भी चीज के बारे में हमें टेंशन नहीं करना चाहिए. You had better enjoy it because जो आज आपके पास है you should enjoy it better because next day promise nothing. Next day हमसे कोई promise नहीं करता कि कल क्या होगा. Next day is or not, it is not decided. Okay, so we should nothing worry about anything. We should always enjoy all the things which we have today. Okay. Okay, so this is our today's thought. Yatri's thought is today's thought. Okay. Yeah, Vishwas also give this. Also give this same thought. Life is too short about anything. You had better enjoy it because the next day promise nothing. Okay. Okay, beta. So now we will start our work. Okay, everyone. Everyone, be ready with your worksheet. Everyone, be ready with your worksheet, beta. Everyone is ready. Hetvi, now off your video, beta. Write with pencil in your worksheet, beta. Yes, I will also send you the PDF, but you have to write also right now. Don't give answers earlier. Let's start to everyone. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen with you. Okay, so here is chapter 1, latitudes and longitudes. Everyone is able to see the screen. Everyone is able to see the screen. Okay, beta. Okay, so fill in the blanks. The shape of Earth is spherical. Right here, spherical. Spherical. The shape of Earth is spherical. Then the first one. Now second is the dash gives correct shape, size and location. It's a globe. Globe. Okay, globe gives correct shape, size and location. Now third, the earth rotates on imaginary line is called axis. Third one is axis. Third one is axis. Spherical, globe, axis. Now next is exercise 2, true or false. The two endpoints are not pole, the two endpoints are not north pole. It's a north pole, beta, okay? It's a north. North. North pole and south pole. So it is true. True or false? First is north pole. The two endpoints are north pole and south pole. It is true. Now the shape of the earth is square. It is false. The two endpoints are north pole and south pole. The two endpoints are north pole and south pole. First is true, second is false. Done. Now choose the correct option. Exercise 3. The degree of equator is 0 degree latitude. The degree of equator is 0 degree latitude. Done. Everyone done till here, beta. Now second MCQ is the imaginary line that dividing the earth into two halves are equator. The imaginary line that dividing the earth into two equal halves are equator. Into two equal halves is equator. Okay. Now third is the imaginary line running from east to west around the sun, around the earth. The imaginary line running from east to west around the earth are called latitudes. Why we are taking here on latitudes? Latitude, because equator is one latitude. Equator is also a latitude, but it is the name of particular one latitude. But here is written that running from east to west, जो line east to west हमारे अर्थ पर मूव कर रही है as on globe, it's called latitude. सारी line जो east to west move कर रही है known as the latitude. So we will take here latitude, not on equator, because equator is the name of a particular latitude. We have to give here common name of that particular lines which move from east to west on our globe. Okay, so it is the common name, latitude. It is our answer. Now exercise 4, answer in one word. Answer in one word. What is the imaginary fixed line called? What is the imaginary fixed line called? What is the imaginary fixed line called? Yes, it is called axis line. Axis. You have a line in your worksheet, okay? Now, what are the two endpoints of Earth north? These are poles. These are poles, okay? What is imaginary fixed line called? It is axis. And what are the two endpoints of Earth known as poles? You don't need any PDF if you will complete your work right now. I'm writing everything here, so you can write it now. Done, beta, till here? Day 1 complete, everyone. Day 1 completed. Question 3 is, see Yatri, 0 degree latitude is our correct answer. Here is equator is correct answer. Now here is latitude correct answer. Done, beta? Okay, now answer in one word, it's completed. Now we will do the day 2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, beta. Day 2. Parallel lines are called latitudes. Latitudes. Parallel lines are called latitudes. Parallel lines are called latitudes. Now imaginary line is called, now see here beta, in second number it is given imaginary line is, focus on is, ये एक imaginary line के बात में बात कर रहा है, so it is axis. Okay, if here here will be the imaginary lines are called. अगर यहाँ पर imaginary lines यानी दो lines के बारे में पूछ रहा होता, then we will write the latitude and longitude. But here is given imaginary line is called axis. Axis line on which our earth rotates or spin, it is also an imaginary. Okay. So write axis here. Then now the area of Earth lying to south of equator, the area of Earth lying to south of equator is called, southern hemisphere. Okay, for third one we will write southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. For third one we will write southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere, HEM. Beta, it's not coming here, so you can able to write hemisphere. I'm writing hemisphere above here. Okay, southern hemisphere will come in third number and northern hemisphere will come in fourth number. Here will come northern hemisphere. Here. Okay, northern hemisphere. Done, beta. In third one, Earth laying to the south of equator is called southern hemisphere, and the area of the Earth laying to north of equator is called northern hemisphere. Okay, done. Now next is answer the following. You have to write this answer from page number 6. Okay, you can write any three characteristic of the latitudes. Any three characteristics of the latitudes. Okay, what are the characteristic features of the latitudes or parallels? There are 180 parallels in all, 19 north and 19 south. Okay, and you can also write from the difference between parallels and meridians. You can write parallels are, you can write here. You can write here, you have a line in your worksheet that parallels are horizontal circle, parallels run in east-west directions. Total number of parallels is 180, 90 in each hemisphere. Okay, so you can write any three from page number 7. You can write this answer from page number 7 from the differences between parallel and meridians. Okay, and here for meridians you can write these are vertical semicircular line. Okay, and meridians run in north-south directions, and total meridians are 360. I will also send you the PDF. Okay, so don't worry. Now next is day 3. Both the answer you can write from page number 7. Differences में से. Okay, now fill in the blanks. The parallels are horizontal circle. The parallels are horizontal circle. The parallels are horizontal circle. Okay, now dash of the latitude decreases toward the poles. Latitudes की क्या चीजें poles की तरफ decrease होती हैं? So it's the length of the latitude. Length of the latitude decreases toward the poles. Now next is the latitudes are parallels. Okay, all the longitudes are meridian. Meridians. All the longitudes are meridians. Done. Day 3, fill in the blanks. The parallels are horizontal circle. And second is length of the latitude decreases toward the poles. Okay, and the third one is the latitudes are parallels. All the longitudes are meridians. Okay, done. Now exercise 2, true or false. Everyone done this? Okay, now we will do the exercise 2, true or false. Latitudes are, first is, latitudes are parallel to one another. Yes, all the latitudes are on equal distance, so these are known as the parallels. So first sentence is true. Now second is parallel run from east to west. Yes, all the latitudes or parallel lines run from east to west. So this is also true. Now longitudes are in semicircle. Yes, longitudes are in semicircle. Longitudes run like this. These are semicircle. Okay, so it is also true. Now parallel. This is parallel, beta. Correct the spelling. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L. Parallels are longitudes. Parallels are longitudes. Yes or no? It is false because it is here is saying longitude, but parallels are latitudes. Okay, so fourth one is false. Parallels are latitudes, but here is written longitudes. So fourth statement is false. Okay? Done, everyone? Done, everyone, beta? Till here, everyone, done your worksheet? Okay, now everyone, turn your page in worksheet and move on the last page of worksheet. There is a question bank. Kalp, beta, lecture is not over. Don't give the sticker of bye and other things. There is a question bank. Okay, Sia. All are able to see my screen or not? When I was showing you the worksheet screen, it is visual for all. And also the diagram or the written work which I wrote there. Thank you, Yana. Okay, beta, now turn your page in worksheet. There is a question bank. Okay, I don't have a hard copy of your worksheet. Okay, I have only my soft copy which I made in the WPS. Okay, so in the last you have a question bank. Turn your page and in the last you will see this type of page. Okay, and there is you have a line. I don't have a line, but you have a line in your worksheet there for answer. Okay. Okay, beta. So this is your homework for today. Okay, you have to complete question bank of chapter number 1. I'm going to again explain it. You have to write in homework. Don't write it now. Only listen it. Okay, and write in your homework. So first question is, write the location of your country. So what is the location of our country? Firstly, we will write our country lies in the northern hemisphere. It is the southern part of Asia continent. Okay, you can write only like this. Our country lies in the northern hemisphere. It is in the south of Asia. Or you can say that it's from the southern part of Asia continent, which you have learnt in your 4th standard in first chapter. That India formed the southern part of Asia continent. Okay. And now second answer, write some features of meridian. So you can write this answer from page number 7. Differences between parallels and meridians. So meridians के जो भी points दिए गए हैं, you can write from there that meridians are in semicircles. We have total 360 meridians. Okay, meridians are same in the length, and meridians run from north to south directions. Okay, these are the features of meridians. And here is equator is now true false. Equator is imaginary line around the earth. Yes. इक्वेटर क्या है? अराउंड द अर्थ एक इमेजनरी लाइन है जो अर्थ के अराउंड मूव कर रहा है इन अ सर्कल फॉर्म. ओके, सो इट इज ट्रू. नाउ मेरिडियंस आर सेमी सर्कल. यस, मेरिडियंस आर मूविंग ऑन आवर अर्थ लाइक दिस इन अ सेमी सर्कल. ओके, सो it is also true. Now the parallels are located at an equal distance to one another. Parallels are located at equal distance. Focus on this statement. Equal distance. Yes, all the parallels are on equal distance. That is the reason any line which have equal distance known as the parallels. So this statement is also true. All are true. Okay. So this is your homework. You have to do this part in your homework, everyone. Okay, now till here everyone completed your work. Mahi, beta, Navya and Mahi, class is not over, beta. Class is not over. Done everything? You have completed your FNB also till chapter number 2. Okay, beta. Now I'm taking your attendance. Then I will ask you some oral question. Okay. All the oral question which I asked to you after the explanation of each topic or a day after. This will help you to read your chapter for doing your MCQ type questions in your exam. No matter it is online MCQ exam or your common exam which you were doing before lockdown, क्योंकि उसके अंदर भी MCQs आते हैं. So these will help you to do all the one word and MCQ type questions. And also when you will connect all the one word answer, you will get your long answer. Which screenshot, beta? Pranshu? Which screenshot, Pranshu? Beta, I will send you PDF also. Then you can do. Beta, let me take your attendance firstly. Harsil, Shreya, beta, don't say bye. Lecture is not over. It will over at 11:10. Just a minute. Okay, Anna. I'm taking your attendance. I'm taking your attendance, beta. Then I will ask the question. Okay, now I'm going to ask the question to you. It's okay, beta. Now don't give the stickers, please. Thank you, everyone. But don't give the stickers, beta. Shlok, you have a doubt? What is your doubt, Shlok? Just a minute. Shlok, Adroja. Okay, what is your doubt, beta?
मैम कहाँ पर वो क्वेश्चन बैंक है? इधर तो नहीं मुझे मिल रहा.
बेटा वर्कशीट के पीछे देखो. इन द बैक साइड ऑफ वर्कशीट, open first, last to first or second page. There is written question bank.
मैम there is not.
वर्कशीट के पीछे किया आपने. बैक साइड के
Yes,
पेज
ma'am.
टर्न करो. Now see one by one from the back side.
Yes, मैम मिल गया.
Okay. Okay, beta. Now everyone of your video, Shlok, this is your drawing, beta. Very nice. Okay, everyone. So now I'm going to ask the question. Everyone is ready? Beta, your English teacher is not well, so he is not able to take your class. Okay. No, beta, you have to write your answer in chat box because it takes so many time. I will ask only one word question, so you can easily write in chat box. I don't know, beta, but he is not well. Beta, I think your competition is about the writing on some points which is given. ओके तो आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स दिए गए होंगे, उसके ऊपर उस पॉइंट्स को यूज करके आपको आई थिंक देयर इज अ स्टोरी और समथिंग, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इट. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू टुमारो. ओके, लेट मी चेक द पॉइंट्स क्लियरली. यस, स्टोरी बिल्डिंग, इट इज स्टोरी बिल्डिंग. तो उस पॉइंट को यूज करके आपको एक अच्छी सी स्टोरी बनानी है, लिखनी है. ओके, yes, I'm going to ask the question now, chapters related. Okay, so first question is, on which imaginary line Earth rotates? On which imaginary line Earth rotates? Yes, correct answer. Everyone is giving correct answer. Very good. Axis. Okay. Now give the name of an imaginary line which move from north to south. Give the name of an imaginary line which move or run from north to south. North to south. Yes, longitude is the correct word, beta. If you will say meridian, if you will say Greenwich, it will not a correct answer. You have to give the common name. We have many. So Greenwich hai, it is the particular name of meridian. But we have many meridians which run from north to south. So correct word is meridians or longitudes. You can write meridians or longitudes, but not Greenwich. Because question is name the imaginary line which move from north to south. अगर क्वेश्चन होता name the 0 degree imaginary line which move from north to south, then you can say Greenwich. ओके, लेकिन यहाँ पर ना तो कोई नंबर है उस लाइन का और ना ही कोई नेम है. सो यू हैव टू गिव द कॉमन नेम, लॉन्गिट्यूड और मेरिडियन. क्लियर एवरीवन? इक्वेटर इज नॉट मिहिर. इक्वेटर मूव ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. फोकस ऑन द डायरेक्शन, फोकस ऑन द क्वेश्चन कि क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या चीजें बोली गई है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग यू हैव टू गिव द आंसर. ओके, now give the name of the hemisphere which lies below the 0 degree latitude. Name the hemisphere which lies below the 0 degree latitude. Yes, correct answer, southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. Okay. Correct answer. Question was name the hemisphere which lies below the 0 degree latitude. Okay. Now give the name of the hemisphere which is in the north of 0 degree latitude. Yes, northern hemisphere. Okay. Now name the imaginary line which we have 90 in each hemisphere. Name the imaginary lines which we have 90 in each hemisphere. Name the imaginary lines which we have 90 in each hemisphere. Latitudes or parallels. These two words are correct answer. Latitudes and parallels. Those have given latitudes and parallels is correct. According to statement of question, latitudes and parallel. Question is name the latitude, name the imaginary lines which we have 90 in each hemisphere. So which latitudes we have 90 in each hemisphere? Latitudes and parallels. Okay, we cannot write here the equator or 180. Okay, beta, just listen and focus on the statement of the question. कि क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है. You have to write answer likewise. Okay, don't worry, those answer is wrong. Don't worry, आप mistake करोगे तो ही सीखोगे. Okay, so don't worry about it. Your answer is wrong. Okay, you gave the answer. This is important. You gave answer. This thing is very important. Okay, so now next question is, which thing of longitude are same? Which things of longitude are same? Yes, very good. Length of longitudes are same. Length of longitudes are same. Okay, length of longitudes are same. Now next question is, which imaginary line decreases as move toward the pole? Yes, Mahi, very good. Very good. Latitude. Latitude are decreases as move toward the poles. Correct answer. Okay, everyone. So now this is how you have to prepare your one word questions. Okay, you आपको फोकस कहाँ करना है? You have to understand the statement. इस स्टेटमेंट में क्या बोला जा रहा है? You have to give the answer likewise. Okay बेटा, स्टेटमेंट में क्या है, किस तरीके से स्टेटमेंट को पूछा जा रहा है, क्वेश्चन की स्टेटमेंट क्या है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको आपके आंसर का वर्ड चूज करना है. बिकॉज देयर इज वेरी कंफ्यूजन कि पैरेलल और लैटिट्यूड्स और हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्कल ये सब तो एक ही है, लेकिन कब आपको लैटिट्यूड यूज करना है, कब आपको पैरेलल यूज करना है, कब आपको हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्कल वर्ड यूज करना है, एंड व्हेन यू हैव टू यूज अ पर्टिकुलर नेम, इक्वेटर और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, यू हैव टू सी बाय द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ओके, कि क्वेश्चन की फॉर्मेशन कैसी है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको आंसर देना है. ओके एवरीवन, क्लियर? Okay, tomorrow we will do the worksheet of chapter number 2. So you have to ready with your worksheet, pencil and textbook tomorrow. Okay, in homework complete your question bank chapter number 1. Okay, okay everyone, now take care beta. Goodbye, have a nice day.